G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at July 1st, 2025's Some Detectors by Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of us here at Gas HQ. My name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? I have finished teaching for the term. I also left work early to have a nap today, and damn, the Spanish had it right. The siestas are good. We are Gas Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person watching this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times 2 hats for a very fast time. 1 hat is for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets Dinosaur because we love you all equally. Now, today's solve's probably going to be very interesting because it is both a blind solve. I have not solved this puzzle before, and because it's end of term, I've been drinking. So, let's see how this goes. Now, Some Detector. Normal Sudoku rules apply. Each row, each box, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, the digit in each arrow cell is the sum of some unknown number of digits appearing contiguously along a diagonal line in the direction of an arrow, starting with the cell that the arrow points to directly. So, for instance, row 1, column 3 could equal this, because it could be 7, but it could also be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, right? Because both of those combinations would equal 7. That's it. That's all you need in order to solve today's puzzle. That being said, I'm going to get into it now. Let's do it. Now, this on first glimpse does not look like a standard Clover puzzle, aka I can't just start writing digits into the top left. Where I'm going to start looking is this 3 right here. Now, this 3 can't just equal 3, so it must equal 1 and 2. Now, the only way to make 4 in 2 digits is 1 and 3. Because I've already got the 1 and 2 here, it can't be that, because I've already used the 1, so this has to be a 4. Yay, 1 digit. Now, if this was going to be more than 1 digit, this would have to be a 3, which would repeat, so this has to be a 7. 5 and 6, seeing this cell, mean that this has to be an 8. This is a 5-6 pair, which is really helpful because this 6 here, it could be 6. Well, it can't be 6 because once again that would repeat, so it has to be 2 digits. And if this one is forced to be a 5, this has to be a 1, which is going to resolve 2 and 1. Let's clean up our Sudoku just a little bit. Now, 5 can't be 1, so it must be at least 2 cells. And if I've already used the 1, the minimum this can be is 2 and 3. The 2 here means that this has to be 2 and 3. Alright. Do I know enough about this cell? No, I don't. That's interesting. This 3 is forced to be 1 and 2. This 5 has to be more than 1 cell because the 5 can't repeat in the box, which is going to unwind because this has to be 4 and 1. I've already used 1, 2, and 3 in the box. 2 and 1. 6, 7, and 9. Oh, no, hang on. 8. That's... Oh, and the 7. I'm just avoiding doing any of this, any of the constraint, apparently. 5, 8, and 9. And then... conflict checker is telling me there's 2 9s there. I didn't spot that at all. And this is 3, 4, and 6. Now, this is not the place to look, but I'm looking anyway. Oh, interesting. This 7, what can this 7 be? And the answer is it can only be 1 cell. Why? Because if it was more than 1 cell, it would have to be at least 2 cells, and the lowest this could be is 6 and 7. So this is forced to be a 7. This 6 up here makes the, resolve this 6-9 pair down here. And we have enough information that we can just do the bottom row as singles. That's pretty useful. That 1 there is going to tell me that this is forced to be a 3. I can take the 6 out of here. I can take the 6 out of here too. If this was a 6, as an example, this would have to be a 1. Which breaks for several reasons, as you can see. So, this has to be at least a 3 or a 4. What do I know about this one? I know... Wow, I know exactly what digits go on these 2 cells. It can't be... So, it can't be 9, because the 9 would have to repeat. It has to be 2 cells, because apparently a Sudoku grid doesn't go beyond the cells that we've already listed. This can't be 1, 8, can't be 2, 7, and it can't be 3, 6, so it must be 5 and 4. We have the 4 here to disambiguate it. 7 here means that this is 3, 4, 6, and 3. 3 in column 1 we already have, so that's 3 and an 8, which is going to clean that up. And then I have 1 more arrow clue, I believe. And it can't be 1, 8, 2, 7, or 3, 6, so once again it has to be 4, 5. It can't be more, because I have a 9 in that 3rd cell. So this has to be 4, 5, 4, and 5. 8 there, and now we are into classic Sudoku. 8 and 5. I can just do the rest of these by 2, 6, 9. I have 6 and 9 column 9, 9 in column 6, which means it goes like that. Now, this is 1, 3, and 6. I can just do that. 1, 3 there, and 3 over here. 4, 7, and 2. I can just do that as well. 4 and 7 here means that this is 2, 7, and 4 go that way because of the 7. This is a 6 and a 2. 5, 8, and 9. 8, 9, and 9 tell me which way around these go. 8 and 5. And then 2 8s, 1 and 5, and 4 and 6. This has been some Detector Sudoku. How many detectors would you like in this grid? Some, apparently. Sorry. Do you do the LinkedIn puzzles? I do the LinkedIn puzzles. You can find my LinkedIn page because I'm commenting my times most days. And I've just made a egregious dad joke in the cross climb. You can go find it if you're real desperate. But, this has been Some Detector Sudoku by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!